It's a hot, the lights have all gone down. Darkness in the better parts of town. Just a night to walk out on this girl. If she stops me at the door, oh no, with a promise in her voice, oh no, will the darkness help me leave her world? Every time I think of home, will the bright lights singing a siren song, crystal clear and twice as long. Every time I think of home. Stumble down the pavement, burns my feet. There's no moon to help me through the street. Wish I had a flashlight and a phone. Hear the sound of nothing left to think. Every step destroys another link to this place that never felt like home. Every time I think of home, were the big boats running on flesh and foam, credit cards and broken bones. Every time I think of home. There's a light in my head, the dreams of a kid staring straight at the sun. Maybe I'll just take a rest right here on these stepping stones to who knows where. If I fall asleep, don't let me know. Every time I think of home, were the bright lights singing a siren song, crystal clear and twice as long. Every time I think of home, 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 every time I think of home.